The best methods for finding a quality dropshipping supplier. Finding a quality dropshipping supplier is one of the most important steps in building your dropshipping business. This is because your supplier is the backbone of your business, and you want to ensure that their products are high quality and that they can meet your needs as an online retailer. Let's be honest, you can get by without communicating with your suppliers regularly. But if you want to find a great dropshipping supplier, communication is key. You want a supplier that offers excellent products as well as technology that integrates into your systems. Dropshipping automation makes everything more efficient, so start automating as soon as possible. It'll make running the business much easier on yourself, your customers, and your suppliers. Let's discuss about the top dropshipping suppliers features. Number 1 is shipping location. You have to consider the location where your supplier is located. You need to make sure that they ship to your country and also have a preferred shipping speed. If you are in US, there are many dropshipping suppliers that deliver to US, but not all of them offer free shipping, and it might cost more for the products when shipped by airmail or other methods. Number 2 is go for high-quality product photos. Product photography is the most important aspect of a successful dropshipping business. Your product photos need to be high quality, professional, and consistent with your brand image. You want people shopping on your website to know that they're buying something that will look good in their home or office. Number 3 is great pricing for profit margins. With dropshipping, it's essential to consider both your profit margins and your product pricing. You need to be able to make a profit on the items you sell while still charging enough to make people want to buy them. If you can get the best pricing possible and still turn a profit, that's great. Number 4 is quality customer service and return policy. Finding a quality supplier is an essential part of the dropshipping business. When you work with a manufacturer, they will be able to give you samples and custom designs and even help provide wholesale pricing. They can also provide advice on promoting your product online. If you are looking for a reliable supplier, then it's important that they have good customer service and return policies in place so that customers remain happy with their purchases. For example, if there are any problems with an order or if there is damage during shipping, then the seller needs to ensure that this is resolved quickly. If not, then it could lead to negative reviews, which will impact sales figures down the line. Number 5 is variety of premium products for your niche. Some dropshippers find it easier to stick with one product type and only sell items from a single supplier. This can be a great strategy if you know your niche well, but there are drawbacks as well. If you have a product that is currently in high demand and sells well on your site, but the supplier doesn't offer any other products of this kind, then when that particular product becomes less popular or goes out of style, you may have trouble finding another supplier who offers something similar enough to make up for the drop in sales. If you plan to sell a wide variety of products from different providers as part of your business model, then it pays off to look for suppliers who provide many different types of goods so that no matter what happens with any one category, there will always be other options available. Number 6 is low processing time. You'll want to know how long it takes for your dropshipping suppliers to process orders and make refunds. If a supplier's processing time is too slow for your business, you may need to look elsewhere. Fast processing time is significant because it can have a direct impact on your customer experience and sales. Number 7 is low minimum product order. Find a supplier that has a low minimum product order. This will allow you to test out your business model and see if it is viable before committing a lot of money. Generally speaking, the lower, the better. Number 8 is customized packaging. Custom packaging is an integral part of the customer experience. As consumers, we're all programmed to respond positively to things that stand out from the crowd. Custom packaging helps you distinguish yourself and your business from other dropshippers in your niche. Customizing packaging can also help improve perceived value, which can be vital for winning over customers who are on the fence about a purchase decision. You want a product that allows you to showcase your brand. Number 9 is integration with your technology. The best way to make sure your dropshipping supplier is a good fit is to make sure they integrate with the technologies you use. If you're using Xero Accounting, WooCommerce, or Shopify, then this supplier should have an easy-to-use API or plugin that integrates your software with theirs. We suggest finding a supplier that will work well with Xero WooCommerce integrative plugins. These are easy-to-understand solutions to operating and automating your dropshipping business. By having Xero and WooCommerce communicate with one another, you maintain better control over our storefront and are more prepared for taxes or fluctuations in the market. Do you know quality suppliers are essential to dropshipping? The best dropshipping suppliers can provide you with a high-quality product, but that's not all. You also need to be able to offer an excellent experience for your customers. This means creating content that engages readers and helps them find the products they are looking for. If you're looking to dropship with a quality supplier, it's essential to be aware of the features that make a good one. We have discussed some of the most important factors you should consider when shopping for suppliers, including pricing, product quality and variety, customer service support, and shipping location. Take your time and explore what is available. Don't be afraid to ask the supplier questions. The quality and time it takes to respond will tell you a lot about how they operate and help you decide on the right solution for your dropshipping business. Until next time, stay secure and keep growing your e-commerce business. And make sure you never miss a video by subscribing and hitting the bell icon.